Salam sejahtera, my name is Vanessa and my metric number is DF190079. We're going to talk a little bit about Love Canal. Love Canal is a neighborhood located in Niagara Falls, which is in New York, was the site of the worst environmental disaster involving the chemical waste in U.S. history in 1950 to 1979. Before the history, in 1920s, the canal began to fill with water, and local children swam there during the summer and skating during the winter. The city of Niagara Falls also began to regularly dump its waste into the pit. So during 1940s, the U.S. Army turned it into a toxic waste dump, and during World War II, the toxic waste, including that from the Manhattan Project, was disposed into the canal. In 1942, the land was purchased by the Hooker Chemical and Plastic Company and will be used to dump chemical waste into the canal, including polychlorinated biphenyls, dioxin, and pesticide. Within 10 years, the Hooker Company had dumped an estimated 21,000 tons of the chemical waste into the canal, which is equivalent to 352 million of pounds. In 1950, the Hooker Chemical Company believed that the thick clay walls from the clay-based canal would be an ideal for protecting the surrounding land from possible leaking chemicals. So when the dumping ceased, the rest of the land was covered with more impermeable clay. In 1953, the land was sold to the Niagara Falls Board of Education for an incredible $1. The surrounding was also sold to the realtors, and houses began to be constructed. During 1970s, strange problems began to occur. Strong odors protruded through the streets of the town. Children and dogs began to developing skin irritations. It was even recorded that rocks would explode when dropped. The Niagara Falls Gazette was the first to investigate the toxic dump sites, testing many of the sump pumps located near the Love Canal, and found them to be contaminated. There are a few types of contamination of the Love Canal, which I will list out a few, which are PCP, trichlorophenol, benzoyl chlorides and benzoyl trichlorides, metal chlorides, liquid disulfides and chlorotoluenes, hexachlorochlohexane, chlorobenzene, benzyl chlorides, sodium sulfates, and sodium sulfate. Thank you for watching.